Welcome to Stack. Manage data with last in, first out. How do we reverse actions in order? Hard to track last action first. Manual undo logic is complex. Order of operations gets lost. Stack manages data in last in, first out order for reversals. Undo functionality. Reverse recent actions and apps. Expression evaluation. Compute math with parentheses. Browser history. Navigate back through pages. Reversing a list manually without LIFO structure. Manual index tracking. Error-prone reversal logic. Hard to undo operations. With Stack, LIFO order. Easy push/pop. Built-in methods. Before, manual tracking. After, built-in stack. Let's see. Stack in action. Create stack, initialize empty stack. Push element, add 10 to stack. Push element, add 20 to stack. Push element, add 30 to stack. Peek top. View top element 30. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is the principle of stack data structure? Stack follows LIFO. Last element added is first removed. Which method adds an element to the stack? Push method adds elements to top of stack. What does this code output? Pop removes and returns top element. B. LIFO. What is the stack state after these operations? Push 10, push 20, population 20. Push 30 right pointing arrow. 30. Like if helpful, subscribe for more. Comment your score.